We are going to carve permanent maxillary central incisor. First of all, we have to mark cervico-incisor length, which is 10.5 mm to all the sides of the block. Now mark the root length, which is 13 mm. Now join all the points. Now mark the labial side, lingual side and the proximal side. Now mark the midline at the labial surface. And divide the crown into the thirds. Now transfer the mesodistal measurement, which is 8.5 at the incisal third and 7 mm at the cervical line. Now join the point to make the trapezoid. Carve the axis. Achieve the trapezoid shape. Now mark the midline on the proximal aspect. Now again divide the crown into the thirds. Now transfer the labiolingual measurement. Incisor edge is bisecting the midline, so we will take 1 mm on the both sides of the midline. Now join all the points. Now carve the labial surface. Now carve the lingual surface. After this, gross reduction of the root. Root is reduced grossly. Now we do the lingual convergence. Round off all the line angle of the crown and the root. After round off, now mark cervical line. After making cervical line, we have to make lingual fossa, which is W shaped. After making the lingual fossa, now we slightly round this to incisal angle. We completed our permanent maxillary left central incisor.